Hi guys, Annika with MarineMax in Nisswa. We are on a used 2025 Barletta Aria powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. This boat only has 8 hours on it. It's in great condition still. This is the perfect starter boat for you and your family to get on the water this summer. We got the nice big ski locker in the middle, great storage to put all of your stuff away. And then we got a nice table in the back to put your snacks on, your drinks on. You can also put it away if you do not want it out. We got a JBL audio system in this boat. It's great for listening to those tunes all day long. And then my last favorite feature about this boat is that we got the transparency door up front so that when you're going up to dock, it's easier to park if you want to see something, or even if you have those dog friends aboard, they can enjoy the water just as much as you are. Come check out this boat at MarineMax Nisswa.